Are you new to Elixir and feeling a bit overwhelmed? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common question: how to combine two maps with the same key in Elixir. Let's get started. I totally get it. When you're just starting out with a new programming language, even simple tasks can feel daunting. Combining maps might seem tricky, but it's a great skill to master. Let's look at the specific question from our viewer. They have two maps, one for names and another for jobs. They want to combine these maps into a single map that associates each ID with both a name and a job. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. So, what's the best way to do this? In Elixir, maps are key value pairs, and combining them requires a bit of logic to handle the keys correctly. We'll walk through the steps together. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a handy tip that will make working with maps in Elixir even easier. To combine the two maps, the user should start by defining a function that will take both maps as arguments. This function will iterate through the keys of the first map. Next, the user can use the map.get function to retrieve values from both maps for each key. This will allow them to create a new map with the desired structure. Now the user should construct a new map entry for each key. If a key exists in both maps, they will create a map with the name and job. If a key is missing in one map, they will assign nil to that field. Finally, the user can return the combined map using the enum.reduce function to accumulate the results into a single map. This will give them the final combined structure. Fun fact: Elixir is built on the Erlang VM, which is known for its ability to handle massive concurrency. So while you're combining maps, remember that Elixir is designed for high performance. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to combining two maps in Elixir involves transforming each map to nest the values under the keys name and job. Then, you can use map.merge to combine the entries. This method allows you to create a new map where each key points to a nested map containing both the name and job. Here's a pro tip: always check if a key exists in the map before trying to access it. This will help you avoid errors and make your code more robust. And there you have it. You've successfully combined two maps in Elixir. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at handling maps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Elixir tips and tricks.